Do you want to get in a real relationship?
No.
Ooh.
I don't need it.
Your turn,
Well,
Kristen.
Somebody tell me the answers. Me, you isn't the answer. Me, you isn't. Maybe I'm telling myself that, but there ain't nothing that'll change that. Or could would it be? If I knew how you felt about me, it could have been right, but I was wrong. Only thing I truly know, part of me that cares is gone, and I know that I can't get caught up. We could have been, and we try to pretend, and now and again, we don't dream about, don't think about what we could have been. No, I'm holding it in, 'cause I know in the end, we dream about, I think about what we could have been.
Yo, what's happening? It's your girl K Dizzle, you heard. And today I'm with my mama. And we finna do a Q&A seafood mukbang. Yes. We got crab, mussels, potatoes, lobsters, corn, crab claws, and shrimp. So let's get into the video. First question.
Your elbow don't need to be all the way over here. Thank you. What? What's wrong with that?
First question. What's your favorite drink?
What's my favorite drink?
Yeah.
My favorite drink is Big Red. Big Red, girl. Big Red. Okay.
No.
What?
Mama, chill. My favorite drink is sweet tea.
Is it? Is that show been drinking my Big Red?
Okay.
Mama.
What's wrong with you? What's wrong, child?
Favorite spicy food?
Favorite spice food?
Mm-hmm.
None. I don't have a favorite. Hell,
I like hot wings.
no. Not me.
Both of them. Do you sing in the shower?
She definitely does.
No. No, I don't.
You were singing in it yesterday.
Oh.
Loud.
Oh, because Alexa was playing something probably.
You still
Oh. Well, yeah. I don't sing like without music, yeah. I
I
don't.
sing in the shower. Have you ever lost a fight? I ain't never gotten into a fight to lose one.
I lost a few. Yeah, I lost a few.
singing. Don't
Because
curse.
they wasn't fair fights, that's why.
Oh.
Don't you tell me.
Don't curse.
Don't you tell me nothing. You almost had me cursing. But chill.
That's what I
Who
said.
you
Don't
fought? You
curse.
lose? How you lose?
Oh, drunk.
Oh, Lord.
Next
I was
time.
lit. I'm just saying.
Oh, Lord.
Come on.
This is not okay.
Well, you better not take it out neither. You better just put everything in. I'm being truthful now, okay?
Are you allergic to anything?
No. And you not neither. You're allergic to men.
No. Don't do that. Don't.
How she allergic to men and she was talking about
I don't care. That's why she don't got no me. Don't do that. Don't do me.
She wasn't allergic to men.
Yeah, she's allergic. That's why she had to get away.
No.
No,
Yep.
we were coerced to get in the way.
You didn't. What you in? What
They
you in
was
the
cool. He
video
was
for,
cool.
fool?
He was cool with
You didn't
us.
want to be in the video. What is y'all talking about?
Next question.
We starting stuff with your feet.
You starting. You keep on.
The
You
cat
gonna give me.
Don't curse.
I'm
Just
trying
don't-
not to.
Don't curse.
But you fist to get it out of me.
Don't
Got.
Curse.
What's a food you know how to cook real good?
What's the food under nachos?
I know how to cook pancakes.
No.
Eggs.
The crab. The this.
No, we don't cook it.
I can cook smothered meatloaf. I can make meatballs.
Smothered what?
Fried.
Since when?
Smothered meatloaf. You don't even eat
You
it.
never made that for us.
Cause y'all,
Meatloaf?
You never made that for us.
Cause y'all don't even eat though.
Exactly, which means you can't make it very good.
I made it. You shut up. You tell him get the hell out this. Stop it.
Great to continue what you was doing. Pancakes.
Oh yeah, I can cook breakfast. And nachos. I think that's it.
And that's it.
What time do you usually go to sleep? I go to sleep at like 3, 4 o'clock.
I go to sleep. I need my beauty sleep. What's wrong with you? I need sleep. That's why I look so pretty. Y'all wouldn't look the way y'all look. Excuse you? Y'all wouldn't look the way y'all look if it wasn't for me, okay? Okay? Thank you.
Mama, you like girls?
No. Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm a trisexual. I try anything.
You're a trisexual.
Yeah. Have you ever heard of that?
That's.
I feel like
Leave me alone.
She's pansexual.
What?
You said you'll try anything.
That's not a pansexual.
Yeah.
No, it's not.
Look it up. Your phone's right there.
nope.
Shut up.
I like what I like. No label.
And what is that?
Yeah, what is that? You gotta
No
be truthful.
label. No label.
You gotta be truthful.
You confused?
Well, how about
I'm not
this? I just
confused.
plead the fifth, okay?
You already answered.
Yeah, you are, yeah.
What's a pansexual?
I
A
plead.
trisexual?
I didn't say nothing about no pansexual. Ain't no such thing.
Ain't that what you said?
There is a pansexual.
What's a pansexual?
You liking anything, I guess.
That's
Look it
not
up.
An athlete you admire.
None of them.
You gotta answer the question.
I did.
You know an athlete.
I admire Coach Craig.
What athlete do I like?
Your daughter.
Kevin Durant.
Oh, yeah.
Period, fool. Let him know.
Yeah, my athlete is my daughter. She play basketball. Sure do.
Kristen, she was spending a lot of them to say she ain't got no favorite athlete.
Well, I forgot. You could have been my favorite, but I know what happened.
Don't do him. How long is your hair?
All the way to my butt.
Okay, buddy. Okay.
I cut my hair, okay? Just give me some credit. I'm letting it grow. Chill out. Why would you even ask a question like that?
It's right
I
here.
don't care. You know how much hair I got. Don't do that, fool. What's wrong with you?
My hair.
Inches.
I have inches. Just put it like that, yeah.
Huh?
I have hair. I bought it. It's fine. Why you do that?
And
Don't
Mama,
be
it's
asking about my damn hair.
a question. It's a question.
I don't give a damn.
My hair.
She's lie. She fibbing.
Mama, you know how long my hair is, so don't do that.
It's not all the way down there.
It's past my shoulders.
It's not.
Yes, it is. Mac is up.
Do it.
Ever caught your mama in a lie? Yep, I just caught her in one just a minute ago. She lie all the time. She think we'll never know what she talking about, and yeah.
I don't believe in lying.
You lie all the time.
Okay. It's in my jeans.
You,
You don't believe in lying. What?
Let me lie.
she just lied.
Christiana, don't ask me them stupid questions.
What artist everybody like, but that you don't? like as a society.
Oh, she don't like young boy.
Yeah, you don't like young boy.
I can't answer.
Block.
I can't answer that.
You know when we in the club, you be like rock music. That's young boy.
That is not no damn.
You be calling it rock music.
I'm gonna tell them the story.
What's wrong with y'all?
So it was me, my mama, my brother, and was brother with us?
Yeah.
Hey, we gon' X that part out. Exit out. We ain't talking about no dudes here, okay?
Mama, stop.
I'm just saying.
I was crippled at the time. I had got surgery on my knee, and my brother was in the front seat. He put on.
Oh, that was that.
He put on the young boy song.
And she blamed it on the young boy
She
song for
blamed-
her going off
Off
to
the road
curb.
on the curb and messing up the whole time. We had to pull over.
Yeah. Up and something triggered in my brain, and then my head starts spinning around.
And she
And so
told
I
me,
just
why you playing that rock music? It was young boy.
It was you that did it. You just obviously you can't see.
could.
I mean,
You
it
would
was
never.
dark out there,
You
so.
would never get in the front seat ever again. Ever.
You mean I would never get the aux cord?
Yeah, you would not get in the front seat. Period. And off the floor.
Young boy.
So.
Fuck it.
Slime.
No.
Don't ever do that again.
Come on.
What's a shoe that you always think is ugly?
Yo, Jesus
Them-
shoes.
Oh.
They call jangles. Christiana, why you keep
They're jandals.
or whatever the hell they are? I got my own damn slang.
No, I think them big old felines is ugly.
Space boots.
What's your favorite hairstyle at the moment? Mine is these braids because I can keep them in for a minute.
Yeah, braids. Me too, braids.
Mama.
Cause I don't want to do my hair. What? It hurts?
No.
What? What's my
Yours is that
ponytail?
ponytail.
Now.
You slick back, baby.
Not no more.
Slick back. What keeps you going?
My kids.
The struggle.
My kids keep me going.
I think the struggle keep me going. Somebody said, do you want to keep braces and even after when I don't need them? No. Get them off, honestly, because they be tearing up my gums.
So what? You do too? You want your braces going too?
Hey.
You want more braces?
Mm-hmm.
You kiss somebody, you want electric. That's what I always thought about braces, I swear.
You used to tell us that when we was little, and I never cared.
I thought that was my, yeah.
Hey, are you scared of me getting hurt again? And am I scared of myself getting hurt?
Yes, I don't want her to get hurt again, cause when she was up under that whatever that medicine was, she was loving everybody in the hospital. So no, I don't like that.
Oh yeah, I don't
Talking
know.
about everybody was pretty, even though they was ugly.
They was not ugly.
They just say
bad.
was.
Oh yeah, I'm every little pain I feel always needs is me getting hurt again. And
She's so dramatic.
that surgery stuff is no joke. 'Cause I ain't like that. Do you want to get in a real relationship?
No,
Ooh.
I don't need it.
That's
Well,
interesting.
What? You only 16. You better
Mama,
chill out.
I need me a little boo thing.
No, you don't.
Yeah, I do.
No, you don't.
Yeah, I do.
You better focus on school. That's what your goal is. Your goal is not on no man or no girl.
Why?
Cause I said so.
Why?
Cause I said so.
What about
That's
you,
your.
Brandon? You trying to get in a relationship?
Oh yeah, I'm gonna get in a relationship. I'm
You can
gonna
have a
have
baby.
kids. I'm
Yes,
finna-
sir.
Yes, sir.
Well, you gonna be. Stop.
I'm not gonna be there anyway. So, baby girl. Yeah.
Where you going?
To Australia.
Whatever.
Yeah, you taking me with you.
Now we're going back to Austin.
Whatever.
Next time, what's the name?
No, for real though.
He gonna
You just
pick
leave, they always gonna come
Real
back, so it don't even matter.
I don't know why they always say that. Like, when I'm gone for real. Like,
Girl, boo.
they better hope I come and visit, like, for real. For real junk. Because I'll be real tired.
Really? That's how you feel?
No. I'm just playing.
I'm just saying.
She wouldn't have said it if that's not how she felt.
My
Give
only
me some
son.
of that.
My, what?
I ain't about to get it out.
On some real junk,
Really?
I don't care for a relationship right now.
Yeah, we don't. Sure
But
don't.
I mean, if somebody come in my life and they can like be cool,
There ain't nobody coming in her life.
if somebody can come in my life,
No, it's not. That's not gonna happen. I'll make sure that.
if somebody
Nope.
come,
So like, I'm at the
No.
point in life of
if
where,
somebody come in my life and like we can be cool for a minute, and then it could just pop off. What is it? We can just like yeah.
Okay, let's do your butter. Period. Cool. Good.
Yeah, what I say? Yeah, somebody can vibe with me.
You got problems with this one.
I don't care. Didn't nobody
Yeah,
tell you
yeah.
to touch that.
She got a problem.
Alright, she got a whole one right here.
Girl, come.
Y'all see yourselves in 5 years.
I see myself in a strip club making all the money. No, that's what she gonna be.
When I see you,
You gonna be in
I don't have a body for that.
See, that's why we.
No, don't do that. Well, I see myself in 5 years.
Bodies. In a
No.
retirement home.
Probably in Atlanta, Georgia or something.
What?
Did she
With
hear?
who?
None of your business.
She didn't hear
Ain't
what
you
you just
getting
said.
out? You getting out.
With who?
She didn't hear what you just said, bro.
What I'm gonna be doing in 5 years?
No, he just said something.
What?
I don't even remember what I said.
You said at a,
Huh?
you said at a retirement
Oh,
home.
retirement home? 5 years?
That's the old people place.
How would you think I am? Why would I be there? What's wrong with you?
That's if nobody gonna take care of you and you can't wipe your butt.
That's when I get like 80.
She always talk about something going to Atlanta, Georgia. What you gonna be doing in Atlanta, Georgia?
Yep, I'm gonna find me a boo thing or something.
Do you want to get in a real relationship?
No,
Ooh.
I don't need it.
Oh yeah, she needed boo things. So when we leave, she gonna be lonely.
I ain't gonna be lonely.
I'm gonna have a lot of cats.
I got midnight.
I mean, you could
Yeah, I
turn
have a lot of
gay. You
cats.
could turn gay. I'll give you one of my cougars in my DM.
Oh God,
You got what?
She got cougars too.
no, I don't. Don't nobody be touching me. I don't
Around women.
I don't be entertaining that.
You let me find out.
Right, man, you going there? He finna go.
I don't give a damn. I don't care. You still my child.
I answered the question.
What's wrong with child?
In 5 years, I'm gonna be a junior in college. You know, D1, stop playing. Wherever I'm playing at.
Yep, and I'll be right along by her. In Atlanta, Georgia or something.
What?
Atlanta, Georgia or something.
In her.
And I'm gonna be
What the?
making a better
Probably.
situation for myself.
And me too.
How do y'all feel about the year 2020 so far?
It suck balls.
Yes. It took
This
hooping away from me.
COVID stuff is getting on my nerves.
It took hooping away from me.
Yep. And they going cuckoo in this house.
Who is that?
You especially, you
Oh yeah,
son.
you going crazy.
You up here flying up and down
Go
the
crazy, go
stairs.
stupid.
Go crazy, go stupid. Fucking body.
We've been losing a lot of people in 2020.
You show who? Your family members or friends?
Just in general.
Whatever.
That's the end of the video. Make sure you like, comment. Corona time.
Don't do that.
Somebody get her some hand sanitizer.
That's the end of the video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and comment some more video ideas. And here we out. Peace.
Peace.
Today I'm with my mama, and we finna do the Q&A seafood mukbang.
No, you gonna say your mama and don't even say my name.
I need to know your name.
Miss Tiffany.
They probably want to know. Somebody probably want to meet me or something.
No,
you know?
nobody would know.
Why do you leave me alone?
I'm just
what the hell
saying.
wrong with you? Come on. Okay.
You gonna continue, Christy?
Christiana.
Mom, stop.
Let me put on the bra. Because I think my areola is the
Yes.
twilight.
Okay.
Girl.
Okay. Wait. Do a Q&A with my mom. Oh my God.
Hey. Christiana, why are you laughing like that? What the hell wrong with you?